What's up and good morning everybody. Hopefully you guys are fantastic. As you can see, we're back in the Duramax today. I'm not 100% sure if you guys knew this or what, but this truck's kind of sold. I'm selling to my business partner, so it's not going too far, but the he put a deposit on it, so we haven't sold it yet. With all the craziness going on and the HHR kind of being messed up, we're gonna go register this today and then go work at the shop doing a delete. So we're gonna take off. It's been a while since I've driven this thing. Oh, it's on E2, sick. But I'm gonna rip this thing for a little bit. So feels good to be back. I miss having a truck. Yeah, hopefully the dually build we can get started on soon, and yeah, have a truck back, badass one. So I need something. So anyways guys, we're gonna head to AAA, try and get this thing all squared away, and then probably install that delete. So at least with all this shit going on, prices are down a little bit for gas, so let's go. What's up guys? So we've made it to the shop with this LMM. We are doing the HSP Y bridge on it. You guys saw yesterday if you watched that video. Basically, like I said, we already got it kind of torn apart. So today we're gonna be working on getting the rest of the Y bridge out. Kind of everything that we need to do down there. The back side's pretty much done. Got the up pipe, down pipe out, and look at this candy red. I know you guys saw it in the intro probably of yesterday, but God, that is clean. HSP coming in clutch. You guys know we're a dealer for them, like I said. So yeah, we're gonna get to work on basically tearing out the rest of the Y bridge that we can. Try to film as much as we can, and yeah, kind of get all this stuff rolling. Clean everything up a little bit. Kind of clean up the turbo cover and all that stuff, all the oil and junk that's everywhere. And yeah, so everything is looking good. Not too bad. The only thing we really fought with was the downpipe coming out, but pull the dipstick tube for the trans, very easy, good to go. Yeah, we'll go over unboxing the box in a little bit, see what's all in there. We got some routing to do, so hopefully we don't have to do that in the middle of the video. If we will, I apologize. We do have other work to do, so yeah, we'll keep hammering away at this and see what we can get done. So one of the first things we're gonna do is pull out the factory two-piece Y bridge, which you guys know already are trash. You can kind of just give them a wiggle and push on the back side. All right guys, so we did end up pulling the coolant tube that runs from the radiator over, and that allows you to get this right out. So not too bad, made some room for us anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and keep chugging along on this. We're down to just the Y bridge now. Down there. So we're gonna work on getting that out. And just for show, this is how nasty your trucks get. I don't know if it'll focus here. Let me grab a light. See all that crud in there? Look at that. This is why you need to get rid of the EGR and the PCV on your truck. There's all the crud that's going into your motor. Absolutely, it's solid too. Absolutely disgusting. Oh, bro, not a dipstick. Let's see it.
The racing stripe.
Sick. So we have been hammering away at this LLY. I mean, you ain't think so.
Yeah, I just missed it.
It's an LMM. Oh my God, we're all, you know what, we quit.
Rory just freaking came up.
All right guys, as I told you yesterday, we actually did have to route some wood, so I didn't really get any filming done with anything. A little bit of a time lapse pulling out the thing. I'll show you where we're at. This is a business, so sometimes filming isn't always a priority, so I do apologize. So basically, we got the truck almost back together here. HSP Y bridge is in, cold side. We're gonna work on putting the hot side in. Just getting all the boots set up. Got the PCV reroute done. Just gonna kind of clean everything up and get everything organized again, back to the way it needs to be. And we're almost ready to start, so I'm pretty sure everything is snugged up, plugged in, besides the MAF sensor and all that stuff on that side. So just gonna keep going, and yeah, and then we'll go over the tuning, and we'll keep rolling along. So like I said, I do apologize. I know you guys are gonna be like, what's the point of posting a delete video if you don't show us how to do it? Okay, yeah, I understand. I'll have plenty of more trucks to work on, I promise. Just for this one, I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. This is my life. I show you what I want, not necessarily everything that you guys want to see. So I do apologize. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but I do have to keep working. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, get everything all finagled and done. And then we got my computer and everything to start on the tuning. So we got the motor pretty much wrapped up besides the PCV plug. Got the tune downloaded, obviously. I did not tune it, so I've showed you guys how to do that before. If you guys need a refresher, you just open the tune file and hit Cal Flash when you're connected to the truck. Or no, full flash, my bad. We got these cool little switch plates that we're gonna mount under the dash, see if the customer likes it. If not, we'll come back, drill a hole. But yeah, so pretty much this truck's wrapped up. We're gonna start it here in a minute and move it out of the shop, let it warm up. Like I said, we just wanna get the plug, which Austin should be bringing over any minute now. So hopefully we'll see him. I don't hear him. Hopefully we'll see him soon. This thing is all done, wrapped up with the fender flares on. But yeah, everything is looking pretty snazzy. Clean, simple, run-of-the-mill exhaust shop tomorrow. So getting stuff done. Just like that, just out of the shop. Let everything cycle, take it for a test drive here in a little bit. Check for leaks too. We're looking good. Let it warm up for a little bit. Take it for a test drive here, but pretty much that one's done. Now to clean the shop, because it is a mess. Parts, coolant, stuff everywhere, so. Gonna get on with the boring cleaning for now. So we have wrapped up this truck, like I was saying, pretty much all done, get everything all cleaned up here. We'll pop the hood real quick, give you a quick rundown with everything done. But it's all set, ready to go. Actually, the door's locked, so you guys saw it though. But yeah, this is gonna hit the exhaust shop tomorrow. We're gonna get it taken care of, and then yeah, we'll follow up. We got some more trucks getting dropped off. Need to start working on the service body and this truck and the dually and everything else. So anyways, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys later in the next video. Trying to post a little bit more now that we're all on lockdown.